Today we are making red-eye gravy over country ham. This is a classic southern U.S. dish. It's super delicious. It's very easy to make. Basically, it's country ham that's quickly cooked up in a pan, and then you make a gravy out of the drippings with strong coffee, a bit of butter, and some seasonings. Very easy to make, but it's really huge on flavor, and it's absolutely delicious. So let me show you how I make mine. All right, the first thing you want to do is get a pan heated up to a nice medium heat. And here I have about a tablespoon of butter. So we're going to go ahead and melt the butter in the pan here. Only takes a minute or so. All right, butter is melted in. And next you want to get some country ham. I see country ham a lot in the South. It's basically salt-cured ham that's smoked. So it's very delicious. It's very southern U.S. So set that right into the pan here. And we're going to cook the country ham down for just a few minutes per side to warm the ham through. And we're going to get all those like little drippings in the bottom of the pan. That's going to add lots of flavor to our gravy. All right, let's give it a flip. Flip it over. Look at that. It's looking delicious, my friends. Country ham, red-eye gravy coming up. Okay, we have our country ham warmed through. So go ahead and set it onto your plate. And you'll notice all the drippings left in the pan there. So now let's make our red-eye gravy. There are variations to making this. Everyone has a little bit different technique, kind of depending on how they like to make it. This is how I like to make mine. The base really is coffee and butter. But here I have a half a cup of strong brewed coffee. And you may have some left over from your breakfast. Here I have about a quarter cup of water. Set it. And I have a bit more butter. I've got about a tablespoon of butter here. And you can use more or less to your taste. And now I like to add a little bit of honey to mine, or you can use brown sugar, or you can skip it all together if you don't really want sweet. But I like a little touch of sweetness. And last but not least, I have some red chili flake. I like red chili flake in mine because, as you can imagine, I like things a little bit spicy. Some people skip it all together. You don't have to add any spice to it if you don't want to. Some people have emailed me and said how their grandfather used to put serrano peppers in it, so I kind of want to eat at that grandfather's table. And also, salt and pepper to taste. I'm not going to add any salt for myself because the country ham is a bit salty, but I am doing cracked black pepper because I really love the flavor of that. So add that in. And next, you want to kind of scrape the bottom of the pan if there's any little brown bits on the bottom, because all of that's going to have some really nice extra flavor. And give it a stir, and we're going to let this reduce for about 10 minutes or so until it reduces by about half. And your gravy's not going to get real thick. It's definitely more of a liquid kind of a gravy, but it's huge on flavor. So, all right, let's let this reduce. All right, red-eye gravy is nicely reduced. Got my country ham all set up here, so just go ahead and pour it over. And there you go. Very easy, isn't it, guys? Red-eye gravy, super easy to make, big on flavor. It's deliciousness right here, so give it a taste. Country ham, red-eye gravy, so good. Also, I really want to say thanks for being here. I hope you'll subscribe to our YouTube channel. We really love this. If you're looking for more spicy breakfast recipes, I really think you should try my huevos rancheros recipe, which is here on YouTube. And also, if you're looking for more southern cooking, you really got to try my black-eyed peas recipe. Huge on flavor, nice little spice to it. It's so delicious. That's here on YouTube as well. So, all right, guys, Mike from Chili Pepper Madness. I hope to see you around soon. Have a good one.